It's almost 7 a.m. and I'm still waking up. So yesterday they made music until midnight. I'm not used to that. Usually I go to bed at 8, 9, but yeah, I could not sleep because of the music. Anyway, I'm going to adapt, and right now I think I'm going to run on the beach. Sounds good? Okay, let's attach this hair and let's run. My room is just here, and look at that, what I have in the morning. Such a nice landscape. Well, I'm going to run barefoot to school, from here to the other side, and then come back. I have reached the end of the beach. There are black rocks everywhere. It's time to go back. Now it's 8 a.m. and I'm getting ready to go to Waterfall. It should take me like 1 hour by foot and then 1 hour to come back. I have bought 4 bananas. This is my first breakfast, and I will have the second one after the waterfall. Nice flowers. Here you can see an elephant that is exploited for elephant trekking, for lazy humans that could instead use their legs, walk, use a bicycle, common transport. When they are very young, oh my god, you need to check how the elephants are treated. That's terrible. I'm sorry for what I'm doing to you. I'm sorry. By the way, it was the first elephant I've seen in Thailand. Because my priority was not see elephant, exploit elephants, use them. I just want them to be happy, and if only humans could leave them alone. Finally, we leave the road and we have a ground path. That's good. While almost everyone on this island is sleeping, while Pauline is out and exercising. I like it in the morning. There's almost no one on the road, and temperature is cool, the sun is not strong. Perfect. Look at the trees. There's only one kind of tree, and it seems that the humans, they have planted more trees. It's good. Okay, the signs say that the waterfall is here. Look, the water is starting to be clearer. It's good. It's almost dark here in the jungle. Woo! I'm there! Wow. Magnifique. Morning glory, it's a bit like spinach and some steamed white rice. Yesterday I bought this hair conditioner at the luxury shop, and it has a lot of labels here. As you can see, it's healthier than most hair conditioners, and here it even says that it's cruelty free. So that's the best thing I could find here in Phuket. I got a few questions about the price of the water in the reverse osmosis water stations in the streets and the price of my hotel room. So the water, 1 liter is 1 baht, which is like 2.5 euro cents. So little. If only the other countries had that, it would be great for everyone. Less plastic wasted in bottles. And the price of the room is 700 baht, which is 18 euros. That's a very fair price for this kind of room. It's beautiful. I did some washing at a laundry machine outside. It's almost dry, and now I'm going to find somewhere to eat. I hope I can eat vegan pizza. It would be cool. Oh, t'as un bobo. Oh, tu t'es battu, hein? Oh. Oh. Vegan pizza is here. Perfect. Just as I asked. No cheese. And they added some pineapple as I asked. Coucou. Oh, il a la langue tirée. Oh, magnifique. Oh. Mais t'es un feignant. Chacha feignant. Oh, tes beaux yeux. Oui, il aime les câlins, il aime les câlins.